Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to share NGL link on Facebook story. So first you have to make sure that you have linked your Facebook to your Instagram. Okay, so to do that you have to make sure that you are using the same Instagram account and it's linked to your Facebook account. Now download NGL application and you have to create an account first in order for you to do this. So here's your link. In order for you to share this to your Facebook, you have to copy first and then open your Instagram account. On your Instagram account, you can tap this plus icon and then share or tap story. Now you can take a picture or import video or something or anything here. And then after that, you have to look for that sticker icon. So I just want to take a picture and then tap the sticker icon above next to a letter and then scroll down till you see link option. Once you found it, you just have to tap. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply paste the link from your NGL. Okay, paste the link here and then click done. You can add something like more stickers. You can add music if you want. You can add a message, for example, or a caption like message me. Okay. You can also add arrow if you want. Anything is up to you. You can change the color, but what matters most is that you have the NGL link here. Okay, so tap this arrow, or you can set this to your close friend or for those people who follow you. Okay, and then once you're done with this, then you can now tap this share stories. And then after that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, as you can see here, do you want to sync your name and photo on Facebook? You can tap yes. But you can also go back to, or you can open your Facebook account. And then this time you will see or check your Facebook story if it's already or if it's also added on your Facebook story. So as you can see, I have now this NGL link on my Instagram. So I'm going to open my Facebook to see if it's also here. And you just have to tap this. As you can see, I have added the NGL link here on my Facebook story. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.